Hello and welcome to today's episode. Today we'll be talking about non-combustible materials, specifically our Alumitex Plate product. Aluminum plate is a high-strength, low-weight aluminum alloy sheet that is durable and has excellent formability. The solid aluminum plate panels are non-combustible and therefore have no installation limitations. The International Building Code, or IBC, requires that external wall assemblies, cladding, insulation, and walls on high-rise buildings with combustible components must pass a rigorous real-world test made known by the National Fire Protection Association under the name NFPA 285. In the United States, the use of PE core ACM on high-rise buildings has been heavily regulated for decades. In Canada, we have done the CAN ULCS 114 test for non-combustibility. Our panels meet and exceed these test standards, allowing you to use our panels in any capacity on the building facade. There were several issues worldwide with combustible material cladding being used, specifically non-fire rated aluminum composite material, PE or polyethylene, instead of FR fire rated core, which doesn't comply with the building code. This can have devastating consequences, as we have seen over the years with major fires due to improper cladding. At Elemex, we are manufacturing facade panels rather than just supplying sheets, so we know the details of the building in advance and therefore which products should be used as per the regulations. We have seen a trend of using aluminum plate panels rather than ACM for many buildings now, as it is solid and won't burn like some composites. The advantage of plate is that there is a versatility of creating crisp lines or curves, and there is endless possibilities of color choices as it is post-painted. For more information about Alumitex Plate, please contact us at info@elemex.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.